Animation SOLIDWORks assemblies. Animation study movement that simulates the change in the position and appearance component over time. Research animation can be created to display details of the movement in the mechanism. In addition, animation can be used in presentation and marketing materials. The animation can be created in Motion Study tab for SolidWorks model. When you open the Motion Study, you can use Motion Manager tools for motion detection mechanism. The Motion Manager tree contains a list of model elements. In case of assembly, animation to activate all available method to animation and basic motion. After adding SolidWorks motion, a list add motion analysis. I will show animation for sample assemblies. For that, in model assembly can be created component and require maths in group maths. For example, can move it, can rotate, and can move it. Linear move it. Okay. Science the benign, specialize the go to the animation tab and activate command motor to move component with the effect of the drive motor. Since the beginning, specify the engine type, rotary motor. When cursor point to the surface you want to rotate, select reverse direction, parameter motion, okay. The same command can create linear motion. For this indication during linear motor actuator. Next step, select path. Direction, and create operation indication by pressing the OK. In the case of animation parts, may only create a simple animation using the assistant. Activated, press on. Okay. And done. Click play. You will see the result.